Hello, I'm Phyllis Keenan from Amherst. I teach at Greenfield Community College, and last year I taught at 4 other places. I don't have a lot of job security. I got called at the end of August for what classes I would be teaching for this semester. In January, I got called in January telling me what was open and would I take that schedule for the end of January. So not only do we not have the job security of knowing semester to semester what we will teach, but not also how much money we will make, because that can be difficult to plan a budget only knowing semester to semester what we make. We are considered contingent to the point that in between semesters we are entitled to unemployment because we have no contract that will give us and secure a job for the next semester. This instability affects not only adjunct faculty, it affects our students. Our students want to know, what are we teaching next semester? All we can say is, we haven't been given the schedule yet. I had a parent who was introduced to me by a student I had. When the parent heard my name, she wrapped her arms around me and said, "Phyllis, you changed my daughter's life." We used to have dinner and she would cry over the homework, and she was going to drop out of high school. I got her to take a class with you. We had to wait until your name was put on a class, but I got her in, and it's changed her. She finished high school and she wants to get her associate degree. What are you teaching next semester? I don't know. And then she said, well, we'll wait and see if you're teaching to see if she's going to come back. We make these connections with students. We make connections, we change students. But not only students, we change the family dynamic that happens. And the students want some sense of, will they see us ever again? I started teaching as an adjunct faculty when my kids were little. It worked around my schedule. I just tolerated the lack of security and not knowing my budget really well, but it worked. And eventually I was able to buy a house through Habitat for Humanity because banks would not give me a loan. They could look at my income year to year and they could see, yes, you have an almost perfect credit rating. Yes, your income tends to be similar, but you don't know that you have a job next week. You don't know that what you're going to be working and getting income. Habitat trusted me because they knew the system and they could see that I paid my rent. Therefore, they expected me to pay my mortgage. I ask you to support the Cherish Act and in particular, job security for adjunct faculty because we change students and families and communities. And we want you to support us also.